I'm Brian's friend. This is my bike check. I got my number one thing that I like is it's a Dirty Built frame. It's homemade. Dad welded it. It's not a Black Eye Colorado. It's not a Colony. It's a homemade frame. Look at the bend. Has an American bottom bracket. I got DK forks, 14 millimeters. Haro front and back double walls with a Quando hub. I got profile cranks, favorite cranks. I got the Mechanic half link chain. I've been running it for a while. I've never had problems with it. I got Primo pedals that I painted. I got white wall tires made from Animal called Tom White Walls. Eastern Wonder Year bars. Animal Edwin grips. Haro gyro. Poverty pivotal. And I got Poverty chain tensioners here. DK bottom bracket. That's really it.